Here is how to connect Google Merchant Center with your Shopify store. Hey everyone and welcome. I hope you're all doing great. Uh, this is basically going to be helping you promote your products in multiple different places, and it's just going to make your products more visible to more people in more places. So this is going to help you regardless, and Google Merchant Center is for free. It's a free service, so you're not really losing anything, and you will be gaining a lot of more visits and stuff. So this is going to help you a lot. So in this video, I will show you step by step how to do so. It is very easy. You just need to follow along, and we will be able to connect them. So let's actually get to it. The first thing that you will need to do is just open up your Shopify here. Keep it open, and then open up a new tab, and just type in Google Merchant Center. Oh, merchant. Okay, so once you do that, you will find yourself in here, and you just go ahead and open up Merchant Center Promote Products Online. We will just open that up, and in here you will find yourself in this page where you can read if you want, or we can just go ahead and skip and go ahead and click on Get Started. And now what you will need to do as this is loading, you go to your Shopify store and copy your Shopify link or your website's link. So we can just copy this over here and we go back. So it's going to ask you a few questions. The first thing is going to be, do you sell products online or is it a physical store? So it is online, so we just click on yes on here and we paste the link that we have just copied from Shopify. So we paste it over here and we should be done. And here we would need to specify also that it is not a physical store. Now, if you do have a physical store as well and you want to promote it, feel free to have yes and click on continue. But here we have no, and we just click on continue. Okay, so in here we will have this area right here where your products will show and all of those things. And we can just go ahead and skip all of it and go ahead and continue to Merchant Center. If you would like to read all of this, go ahead and do so, but we will just skip and click on continue to Merchant Center. And here we will fill in more information like the business name. Let me just type in whatever I have in here. And we can do is just go ahead and continue to Merchant Center. If you want to turn on these two, it's up to you, but I will not personally. Sorry about that, somebody decided to call me. But anyways, so once you finish up, you should find yourself within this page where it's going to basically allow you to visit your dashboard here, where you can find notifications, products, and pretty much everything else. So here we are pretty much done from this side of things. Now you can set up things from here, but you can also do it from the Shopify store, which I suggest. So to do so is very simple. You just go ahead to your Shopify and you will need to go ahead and add apps. And then you go to all recommended apps and open up your Shopify app store. And then from here, you will need to type in Google Merchant Center. And you will find a lot of apps that is going to basically support the connection between Google Merchant Center and Shopify. Now you will find a lot of them, but the one that is going to be like the official one is going to be Google and YouTube, and you can use this one, or you can use another application. It's completely up to you. So we can just install this one for now, and we just go ahead and click on install, and then we just need to confirm the installation very quickly. Go ahead and click on install. So just to catch up things until it's finished, basically all we did is go to Google Merchant Center and create an account, and then we go to Shopify App Store, install this app or a different app. It's completely up to you, and we just set things up now. So in here we will find the Google and YouTube app is installed, and we can just go ahead and connect Google account. So just click on connect Google account in here and connect the same account that you have created the Google Merchant Center with. So just choose the account that we have. Where did it go? Okay, it's a separate page. Anyways, so we just connect or choose the same email that we have created with the Google Merchant Center. We just click on it and choose it. And then we obviously click on continue. And we give access to everything that it is asking us for. And we just wait. Afterwards, we will need to finish or finalize our setup. To do so is very simple. Just after you have confirmed your email, you will need to go ahead and scroll down a little bit and you will find these things that you will need to fill out. Add a valid payment method. You just click on it and it's going to take you to a page within the Shopify admin where you can obviously add a payment method in here. So you do that and then it should be ticked and it should be done. So you just go ahead and add payment method. Or activate PayPal or whatever it may be, and you should be good to go. And then we go back to the application. Let me just close out of all of these tabs real quick. Okay, so we go back to apps after we are done, and we should just restart real quick because this is the old one. So we restart and go ahead and go open our app, which just disappeared for some reason. Let me just go ahead and go sales channel. There it is. Okay, so we just open it up, open sales channel. It should appear in here. So let me just pin it so we don't lose it next time. Okay, so after we are done setting up a valid payment method, we will need to create an online store, which is removing the store password. Now, if you are on a trial, you won't be able to do this. You will obviously need to have a plan purchased to remove your online password, and it's again very simple. You just go ahead and click on it and it's going to do it for you, or you will need to follow a few steps. Next up, you will need to add a refund policy and terms of service. You just click on it and it's going to take you to another page where you'll need to add those in here. So make sure that you enter your refund policy and also privacy policy, terms of service, and so on. And in here is going to give you the rules, basically. So you can have returns accepted for 30 days, free return shipping, no restocking fee, no final sale items, and you can manage those if you don't like these. So we can just click on manage if you want. And it's going to have a few things that you can manage here, like the amount of days for the return window, whether it's 30 or whichever day you want, custom days if you want a custom one, return shipping cost, free return shipping, and so on. So you adjust those to your needs, and obviously go ahead and add the refund policy, privacy policy, and so on. And then again, go back to the app where you will need to finally confirm that you have added contact information to your store, and you just click on confirm. And then it's going to open up the rest of the stuff here for you, and you can just adjust it to your liking and add products to your Google Merchant Center. So this is basically how to connect Shopify to your Google Merchant Center. It's very, very easy and simple and straightforward. So I hope you liked this video, and thanks for watching.